Welcome to the ESL.Institute podcast, the podcast that is helping adult English learners across America speak, read, write, and live with greater confidence every single day. In each podcast episode, we explore the topics that matter most to you as an English learner, from pronunciation and vocabulary to workplace communication and American culture, to emotional intelligence, community life, health, real estate, and so much more. Our podcast was built on one belief: that adult learners deserve rich, real, and respectful educational content. Content that treats you as the intelligent, capable person you already are. Whether you are brand new to English, working to improve your skills for a better job, or building the life you imagined when you came to this country, every episode is designed for you. So listen on your way to work. Listen at home. Listen again. Because every time you listen, you are one step closer to the fluent, confident English speaker you are becoming. Free adult ESL classes are available at community colleges and adult schools near you. This podcast is your classroom without walls. This is the ESL.Institute podcast, brought to you by Sersea Podcasts, a network of educational podcasts for English learners. Let's begin.
Academic discipline, the foundation of success. Academic discipline is the ability to do what needs to be done, even when you are tired, distracted, or discouraged. It is not about being perfect. It is about being consistent. Disciplined students complete assignments on time, study regularly, ask for help when they need it, and treat school as a serious responsibility. This episode will show you how to build the mental habits that make learning possible and lasting. Article: The habits that separate good students from great ones. Walk into any successful adult education classroom and you will notice something. The best students are not always the most naturally talented. They are the most disciplined. They sit in the front row, take notes, turn in assignments on time, and review their work even after class ends. They treat English class like a job, because for them, it is the most important job they have. Academic discipline means approaching your education with seriousness and structure. It means setting rules for yourself and following them. It means doing today's homework today, not tomorrow. It means rereading a confusing paragraph until it makes sense rather than moving on and hoping the confusion will disappear. Discipline begins with your mindset. Students who believe that effort determines success tend to work harder and achieve more than students who believe that talent is fixed. This idea, explored by psychologist Carol Dweck, is called a growth mindset. People with a growth mindset see challenges as opportunities to grow, not as proof of their limitations. When you struggle with English grammar, a growth mindset says, "This is hard, and I can get better." A fixed mindset says, "This is hard, so I must not be smart." Choose the growth mindset. It changes everything. Practical discipline also requires removing distractions. During study time, put your phone away, turn off the television, and focus completely on the task at hand. Even 30 minutes of concentrated, distraction-free study is more valuable than 2 hours of scattered, interrupted study. Quality beats quantity every time. Finally, disciplined students build routines. Routines reduce the mental effort of deciding what to do next. When you always study at the same time and in the same place, your brain learns to shift into learning mode automatically. Build your routine, protect it, and let it carry you forward. Key vocabulary: discipline. Training yourself to follow rules, schedules, and responsibilities consistently. Academic discipline helped him finish every assignment before the deadline. Mindset. A set of beliefs and attitudes about yourself and the world around you. A positive mindset helped her see every grammar mistake as a learning moment. Routine. A regular, fixed sequence of actions that you follow repeatedly. His daily study routine made English practice feel natural and automatic. Concentration. The ability to focus all your attention on one task. Deep concentration during study sessions leads to faster vocabulary retention. Accountability. Taking responsibility for your own actions and results. She practiced accountability by always completing homework before watching TV. 5 practical tips. 1. Create a personal rule: homework before entertainment. Do not watch TV or use social media until your study tasks are done. 2. Break large assignments into smaller steps. Completing one step at a time feels manageable and builds momentum. 3. Study in the same place at the same time every day. Consistency trains your brain to focus more quickly. 4. Review your notes from class within 24 hours. Memory fades fast, reviewing soon after class locks in what you learned. 5. Write a weekly list of academic tasks on Sunday evening. Check off each task as you complete it.
And that is our episode for today. Thank you for listening and for choosing to invest in yourself. Every minute you spent with us just now is a minute you used to grow. That is not a small thing. That is everything. Before the next episode, here is your challenge. Take one idea, one word, one phrase from today, and use it. Say it out loud. Write it down. Use it in a conversation. That is how language becomes yours. If this episode helped you, share it with a friend, a classmate, a coworker, or anyone who is on their English learning journey. Learning is always stronger when we do it together. And if you are not yet enrolled in a free adult ESL class at your local community college or adult school, today is a great day to sign up. This podcast will be right there beside you every step of the way. Remember, fluency is not a finish line. It is a way of living. And every episode you listen to, every chapter you study, Every word you practice, that is your path. Keep walking it. This has been the ESL.Institute podcast, brought to you by Sersea Podcasts, a network of educational podcasts for English learners. Until next time, keep listening, keep learning, and keep growing.